Hi, this is Ben with WTI, and I want to tell you about the Nano-b toothbrush. I have sensitive gums, so when I saw Nano-b's product, I figured let me try it out, and I was not disappointed. These toothbrushes are rated soft to medium, and I would definitely have to say they were very gentle on my teeth and gum, which I liked a lot. The different heights of bristles help get into the nooks and crannies, which was great. But the real claim to fame is the gold and charcoal-infused bristles, which cuts down on bacteria and microbes. Considering that this is something you put in your mouth, less microbes is a good thing. Best of all, my mouth felt refreshingly clean, which is the whole purpose of this anyway. The toothbrushes came in a pack of 4, each with its own distinct carrying case with a screw on top, which makes it very portable and convenient to take it with you. You get to choose between pink, green, blue, and a crystal color, which is crystal clear. I can definitely say that these aren't your average ordinary toothbrushes, and if you're in the market for something good for your gums, I definitely recommend the Nano-b set of 4. And that's my point of view.